Hello, my name is Bianco. In this video we will have a look at a WithArmour folding knife. The item comes in a nice box. We see there the model number. Really nice box. We see the website. As we open up the box, we have first that part here. And then the knife would be in that bag, and there we have some padding on it. So really nice boxing. As we look on the blade, we have WithArmour's Storms engraved. It's a one-hand folding knife with a liner lock, frame lock. It's a relative thick lock there, nestled in that 3D CNC machined G10 handle. Easy to use. We see the lock bar is completely free here, so we can unlock the blade, and the walk and talk is really well. So it's easy to flip. Look at that beautiful skeletonized contoured handle. We have here the flipper on top, also with a cutout. Some more cutouts on the blade. Nice stop pin on top, and of course it's easy to open with one hand. You can use that for the right and the left hand. Simply press it and it opens up. Nice adjusted. Now the flipper doubles as a guard as usual. The blade is black coated. We have a full flat grind with a quite stabby tip there. On the back side we have a special pocket clip with the WithArmour logo in it. Deep carry clip. It can be removed, but it can't be reversed, so it's only in this position there. At the end we have a, I will not say screwdriver tip, but a protrusion standing out. There's some more information. So we have AUS 8 on the steel, and the number and the designer is on it as well. So those knives are made in a factory in China, one of the bigger OEM ones, and WithArmour is their own brand, so they try to sell items with their own brand. The quality on all of the items that I had so far in my hand is outstanding, and they ship either directly from China and new as of August 2025 also directly inside USA from North Georgia. So if you want to have that knife, you can always order it for be shipped directly inside USA. All the custom problems, the delays are gone, so you have a fast shipment time inside USA without any hassle. That is for all the WithArmour products that I'm gonna make videos about. I'm gonna put all the links in the description where you can get that and more information. This is just the first of a series of videos about those WithArmour knives.